Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my voice, the pollen is already getting me. This is a spring home tour and the spring has sprung and the pollen is out in full force in middle Georgia. So let's start in the middle of between the kitchen and the dining room. This is my breakfast bar and I have my Pioneer Woman stuff all out. If you saw that haul, then you've seen all this, but I wanted to show it to you all out. These are just mix and match placemats, the vintage floral, and I can't remember the names of all these, I'm so sorry, but yeah. And then next I found this tea box, and you'll see this in an upcoming video where I organized all my teas and I put all of them in here. I found this at TJ Maxx. Then I have my little Pioneer Woman sugar bowl. It's the vintage floral one. And in my dining room, I have my Pioneer Woman table runner. And I got these, this He Is Risen, and it's not about the bunny, it's about the lamb from Hobby Lobby. And then I just have my Pioneer Woman canisters over here. So I got all of this Pioneer Woman stuff at Walmart. I will leave it linked below. I like to order stuff from Ebates or from Walmart through Ebates and get cash back. So I'll leave my links below for that if you're interested. And I don't want to repeat too much of this because I did show all of this in my haul, but I just wanted to show it all displayed. My kitchen isn't perfectly clean and organized, but I still wanted to show it off while I could. I have a lot of kids now, and I'll have an update for you guys soon. But as of right now, we do have 7 kids. So for cleaning, this is about as good as it's going to get. And I did film this before Easter. It is now past Easter, so I'm sorry I'm late getting this up, but life has been crazy. You know how it goes. But I still wanted to put it up because it was really pretty when I put it all out. So here's my mantle. So for my mantle, I just threw together what I had. I really didn't have a whole lot. I actually added to it, but I didn't film it. I did switch it up a good bit, but this is what I have filmed, so we're just going to roll with it. It's not the best, but it's better than nothing, right? So some milk glass vases that I had left over from my wedding and just a few other things. And I have my Pioneer Woman hand towels hanging up, and I have several sets of these, but this is just the set I had out that day. I love all my Pioneer Woman stuff. I cannot say enough good things about it. It just makes me really happy. I love color. So moving on to the living room, this is like kind of in a hallway, like an entryway from the garage to the living room to the kids' rooms, like in between that little weird area. This is just a little table that I have set up with some vintage things that I've found. Several of these vintage bottles I actually dug up out of the woods. Briley found that big blue bottle in the woods at one of our friends' houses, and they lived in a really old house. And then these are some family pictures we had made years ago, and just some different antique finds that I've put up here. And these peacock feathers are actually from Wes's grandfather's farm in Florida, so those are special. I try to incorporate special little things in our home like that. And then I just have a little succulent over here, and it is real. Look at my sweet girls. So we moved into this home almost 4 years ago, and my living room has been decorated for spring for 4 years straight now. I really need to redo it, but I wanted to show it off before I change it up because it has been like this for 4 years. Most of my wall art I get from Hobby Lobby, and then you know, I just get some picture frames, and then I like to have Bible verses and things all over my house as reminders of God's Word. Then I got these at Hobby Lobby as well. Again, these have been up for 4 years. This is nothing new, but I'm sure you've seen this if you watch my videos. I did have an aloe plant in that little pot back there, but it died, so. And then here's my couch. I've had these same blue and green pillows on here for 4 years. I need to switch it up, but I do believe I got these at the Christmas tree shop. And then I did recently just get this really soft lavender blanket. I love this throw blanket. It's not all folded well, but whatever. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Just made some sweet tea with lemon, with fresh organic lemon. So good. If y'all want a video on how I make southern sweet tea, then comment below or like this video.